Most drivers think a dash cam is just for recording accidents, but imagine catching every detail on the road, from license plates to unexpected street hazards, without the hassle of complicated setups. Welcome to Autovated, where today we're breaking down the Vantrue S1 Pro dual dash cam bundled with the Vantrue Hardwire Kit, a discreet dual-channel camera system designed for modern drivers who want peace of mind and full coverage. I've combed through expert tests, verified buyer feedback, and compared it to competitors to give you an honest look. The S1 Pro records both front and rear simultaneously at 2.7K for the front and 1080p for the rear at 30 FPS using the upgraded Novatech chip. Its 160-degree wide-angle lens captures multiple lanes without stretching images, while optional CPL filters reduce glare for clearer visuals. Low-light driving is covered with dual HDR night vision, the STARVIS 2 sensor, and an f1.8 aperture lens, which improve light sensitivity and reduce motion blur. Helpful when reading license plates or spotting road signs after dark. Installation is straightforward. The compact design hides behind your rear-view mirror, and the 3M adhesive mount allows easy transfers or removal without damaging your windshield. Key features that stand out include 5G Wi-Fi and GPS integration. With the free Vantrue app, you can preview footage live, adjust settings, download recordings, or share highlights on social media. The GPS module logs speed, location, and time, viewable directly on Google Maps through Vantrue Player. Parking mode works 24/7 with motion detection and collision-triggered recording, ensuring incidents are fully captured even when you're away from the car, though the Hardwire Kit is required for this feature. Pros: high-resolution front and rear recording, excellent night vision with STARVIS 2, compact, discreet design, comprehensive GPS and app integration, continuous parking mode coverage. Cons: rear camera resolution is limited to 1080p. 24/7 parking mode requires separate Hardwire Kit. App connectivity can occasionally be slow based on network. Compared to similar dash cams like the Nextbase 622GW, the S1 Pro offers comparable front recording quality, but keeps the rear camera simpler, which may matter if you prioritize dual ultra-high resolution. Its compact, hidden design is an advantage over bulkier competitors, and the STARVIS 2 low-light performance is superior to many models in the same price bracket. The build quality feels solid with durable plastic housing and reliable mounting hardware. While long-term reliability data is limited, Vantrue has a reputation for consistent firmware updates and responsive support. Customer service generally receives positive feedback for timely responses and helpful guidance when needed. This camera is ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants reliable all-day and night protection without drawing attention. Less suited for those who need ultra-high resolution on the rear camera or a simpler plug-and-play option without a Hardwire Kit. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to keep your dashcam game sharp, shift into action and hit like, subscribe, and the bell to stay in the fast lane for future reviews. Verdict: strong option. If you value discreet dual-channel coverage with excellent night vision and GPS tracking, the Vantrue S1 Pro is one of the stronger choices in its class. For tighter budgets, the standard Vantrue S1 may suffice, but for full features including 24/7 parking mode, the S1 Pro bundle is worth it. Thanks for watching. Check the comments and description for links to grab this dashcam, and if you already own one, share your road stories below. Until next time, stay safe and stay automated.